Alright, this is going to be an explanation of how to send your Bitcoin balance, or the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, from your Coinbase address, your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet, to Bittrex, your Bittrex Bitcoin wallet, in order to trade on Bittrex. Now, this is pretty simple and it should be real quick, but I'm going to show you now. So you're going to start on Bittrex and you're going to go in the top right to the Wallets tab. Under the Wallets tab, this is going to show all of your wallets. So if you've bought anything on Bittrex before, this is going to show those coins. So you're going to want to search for Bitcoin, which is the ticker for Bitcoin is BTC, and you'll see it right here. And over on the left, you'll see a plus sign and a minus sign. The plus sign is whenever you want to deposit Bitcoin to your Bittrex address or your Bittrex wallet, okay? The minus sign is whenever you want to take your Bitcoin out of Bittrex and move it to either an offline wallet or your Coinbase wallet or a different exchange wallet. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to add it. We're trying to deposit it to Bittrex. So you're going to definitely want to click on that positive sign. Make sure it's next to Bitcoin, next to the Bitcoin symbol. So we're going to click on that and it's going to show you your address. Now your address is just like your bank account routing number or your account. It's like your account number. It's not like your routing number. It's like your bank account number. That is a unique code, a unique series of numbers and letters that is unique to your address. So what you're going to want to do is either double click on it and click Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, or just right click on it and click copy, and that's going to copy it to your clipboard. So next you just exit out of that and we're going to be going to Coinbase in order to send our Bitcoin from Coinbase to this Bittrex address that we just copied. Alright, now once you're on Coinbase, what you're going to want to do is go to the Send tab. From the Send tab, you're going to want to paste that address of the Bittrex wallet. This is going to, because you're wanting to send from Coinbase to Bittrex, you want to make sure that it sends to that exact account address. Then you're going to want to type in basically how much you want to send in Bitcoin. So I just deposited about $10 worth into this account, into this Coinbase account, and I only want to send that much. So I'm just going to click on Use Max, and that's going to send the maximum amount of Bitcoin that I can from my Coinbase account to the Bittrex account. If you only want to send a portion of your total balance on Coinbase in Bitcoin, you're going to want to do this manually and type in maybe 0.01, 0.5, something like that, your exact amount in Bitcoin. Then there's the option to write a message. That's only really good or applicable if you're trying to send money or payment for a good or a service, just maybe somebody that where you need to describe what the payment is for. But I'm just sending this basically to myself, to a different account, a different wallet, so that doesn't really matter. Finally, I'm going to click on Send Funds, and what it's going to do is it's going to ask for confirmation via two-factor authentication. Now this is something that you set up for security on your account. It's going to send you a text on your cell phone, which I just got, and then all I'm going to do is click on or type in the code 152. Well, actually, double check that it's the right code. It should send you it pretty quick via your cell phone, via SMS, and then you're just going to want to confirm, and it's going to show you that your send is complete. See, I only sent a couple dollars worth just to test it out, and I sent it to that address, which I've double checked is the correct address. And now we will see our Bitcoin start to show up in the account. So we're going to go over to Bittrex and we're going to wait maybe 20 minutes because it's going to take about 20 minutes before it shows up under pending deposits. And you'll see that takes a little bit of confirmation time to really send from Coinbase to Bittrex. I'll be right back as soon as that pending deposit shows up. So I've waited about 10 minutes and I've refreshed my Bittrex page. I'm still under the Wallets tab, and you can see now under pending deposits I have one pending deposit for Bitcoin for this amount, and there's currently 1 out of 2 confirmations. Now there can be up to 6 confirmations depending on if the Bitcoin on Coinbase is running a little slow and has some troubles, or if the Bitcoin wallet on Bittrex is running a little slow, depending on how much traffic is being run through both the addresses, or if there's just general maintenance on either end. But most of the time it should take between 30 minutes and an hour, and if they're having that maintenance and trouble, then it's going to be usually about 2 hours. But I would run it around an hour. I would depend on about an hour, and if it comes a little sooner, that's perfect. And you can see if you click on the plus button, you can see your transaction ID and the address that you sent it to, and I will check back with you guys as soon as this finishes up and let you know how long it took. Alright, it's been about 20 to 30 minutes, and as you can see, I just refreshed and it says you have no pending deposits, but if we scroll down to deposit history, you'll see that the Bitcoin on today, 8/23, has successfully been deposited. Same transaction ID, same address. So that was a success. This was a tutorial, just a quick tip on how to send your Bittrex or your Bitcoin from Coinbase to Bittrex. Check out the next videos, which will explain how to send your Bitcoin from Coinbase to other exchanges, and also check out the video before if this is the first video you're seeing, in order to see how to buy your Bitcoin on Coinbase with a debit card or a credit card. Thank you guys for watching.